How to calculate tax return in Australia. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can calculate tax return in Australia. To calculate your tax return in Australia, you will need to follow these steps. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your device, and in the search bar, you need to type tax return estimator. Once you have typed in this keyword, now search for it. Once you search for it, you will be presented with various search results. Here you need to search for this Australian Taxation Office. Here you need to tap on this link in order to reach to this page. In this page, you need to scroll a bit down and there you will find Go to Calculator option. Tap on this Income Tax Estimator below the Go to Calculator option. And once you tap on this button, here you will be taken to this page where you need to fill up some details about your income. In this page, here select the income year first. Tap on the select box and from the drop down, here select the income year. Once doing that, here you need to select your residency status. After that, if you have spouse, you can tap on yes. If not, you can tap on no. And at the last, you need to select the items that are to be included in your income tax estimate. Once you have selected one of these options, now tap on this next button below. By doing so, here you will find add or edit button just below each of these topics. You need to simply tap on those buttons and then enter the amount in the provided field. Here you need to enter the total gross income payments you receive, and then you need to enter total amount of tax that will be withheld. In this withholding amount, tax will not be applied. After that, in this third box, you need to enter the total amount of deductions you will be claiming. After that, you can tap on this continue button right here, and then it will present you the tax return report. You may also scroll down to add or edit tax related options. Once doing that, you can tap on this calculate button right here, and then you will be able to calculate tax return in Australia. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.